What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you the best settings to export high quality videos using Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After finishing editing your project, make sure that your clip is selected and use your I key on your keyboard. And then move your time indicator to the end of your project and use the O key. This will create in and out points and tell Premiere Pro the selection of your timeline you wish to export. When this is done, navigate to File, Export, Media, or use the shortcut Ctrl and M. On this window, make sure to set your format option to H.264. This will create an MP4 video file when the application has exported your project. Below, set your preset according to your needs. For high export quality, I suggest using Match Source High Bitrate. This should not bloat up your file size, but you will get high video and audio quality when exporting in 1080p or lower. For 4K footage, you should consider using the Adaptive High Bitrate preset. When this is done, you can change your output location when clicking on the blue name. Make sure that both the export video and export audio boxes are checked, and then you can preview some information about your export settings. In case you wish to use a custom output resolution, then uncheck this box and make sure to unlink your current resolution. You can then proceed to change the width and height of your exported video. The same applies to your frame rate below. While making changes to these settings, you can preview your estimated file size at the bottom of this window. To get the highest render quality when exporting your project, you should check the Use Maximum Render Quality box. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.